everyone, it's Connor Tech Reviews and this is the unboxing and review of Edifier X3 TWS. So now let's open the box. So nabili ko to on AliExpress around 783 Philippine peso. Sale price on kaya medyo nakamura tayo. So here are the specs. So naka-separate yung earbuds niya out of the box compare sa ibang brands na nakita ko, which is yung earbuds niya nasa loob ng charging case. So at the back naka-hide yung accessories. We have here a microUSB charging cable, two pair of ear tips, and a user manual. And now open na natin. So maganda yung color ng charging case niya and also the earbuds, matte black and not slippery. This is the charging case and ayan yung micro USB port niya sa likod. And the logo, Edifier logo at the top. So yan yung nasa loob niya, yung port for charging the earbuds. So ito na yung earbuds natin, very light and not cheap looking. Kaya ako nagustuhan to dahil budget friendly nga, and also Edifier yung brand na gamit ko before sa PC speaker. And maganda yung design niya and also very small lang compared to others. So, try na natin i-connect. So ito yung LED light niya. Magdo-notify yan kung charging or connecting sa ating device. So for the pros and cons naman tayo. For the pros, meron siyang good design, good battery life, no audio spills pag nakakabit sa tenga natin, fast auto pairing and connect, and good Bluetooth range. So for the cons naman, medyo low on bass siya. And syempre micro USB port pa rin yung gamit niya. So that's it. Leave a comment below kung ano experience nyo dito sa Edifier X3. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.